Hey gang, Poppy here. You see we're in the computer room. It's 10:15 a.m. on April 2nd, 2021. And 47 hours and 15 minutes ago, or is it 45 minutes? Well, anyway, at 11:30 2 days ago, 10:30 2 days ago, I got my first of my Moderna inoculations for COVID-19 protection. I feel good. I knew that I would. So good. So good. I got vaccinated. Fair use. Notice. I sang it myself. It's not a recording of anyone else singing. James Brown is the source of that song I sang a little tiny bit of. Thank you, James Brown. Did they ever get you in the ground? I know 4 or 5 sets of your wives and children are fighting over who got possession of your self. There, lay it in that bronze box. Anyway, I've credited the source. It was short, transformational. It was used in a humorous manner to illustrate getting vaccinated. And also stating that I feel good. So I feel safe copy-wise right on that. I feel very good health-wise on my vaccination. I don't have any of the symptoms they said look out for. So I feel good. Good night from California. Stay safe. Get vaccinated.